Hi, my name is Anna Cazares. I'm one of the bilingual educators in the Children's Museum Houston, and April is Autism Awareness Month. And in celebration and support to our families who have children with autism, the Children's Museum Houston will be hosting a series of fun activities that you can do with your child at home. And today we're going to be making sensory-friendly water bottles. These are some of the items that we're going to need for our sensory-friendly activity. We're going to need oil or clear glue. We're going to need water, some glitter, pipe cleaners, some ribbon, some duct tape, and of course, the water bottles. So here is the final product of our sensory-friendly water bottles. This one is the one with the pipe cleaners. The cool thing about this is, besides being able to look and have fun with it, is that you can use a magnet and play with the little pipe cleaners and watch them go along with the metal that's inside the pipe cleaner onto the magnet. And so this one is completely covered and finished. So with this one is what I ended up doing was filling up to here with clear glue, and then I added my glitter. I used 2 different colors. I would like to see you add something else as well. You can put beads, you can put anything else that you want, and then I filled the rest up with water. Don't forget, ask your parents, ask your family members to help you with filling up our water bottle. And our last one is I ended up putting some ribbon. Of course, you can use any type of objects and put inside the water bottle, but the one that I did was ribbon. I just love seeing different colors and how shiny and pretty it is. I hope you enjoyed this activity, but before I go, I'd like to throw a huge shout out to our Sensory Friendly Day sponsor, the Stanford and Joan Alexander family. And remember, check out our website so we can stay connected virtually. We look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.